Welcome to the Arduino tutorial. We're going to learn about Arduino, specifically about Arduino Uno R3. Okay? It's a specific version of Arduino. So why Arduino? Okay, well, first of all, Arduino is a microcontroller. What does a microcontroller do? Well, we first have devices such as a switch, a motor that turns a tire, a light bulb, a sensor device that senses light or heat, anything. You can have all sorts of devices, okay? But you can't do anything with them. Even if you had a computer, the computer could not do anything with the device. That's why we have a microcontroller. The microcontroller can control the device. Now, basically, what you do is you use the computer to program the microcontroller, and then the microcontroller controls the device. You can even take the computer chip out and just have the microcontroller and the device. That little world can exist by itself. You don't need the computer. And it's pretty good to do that. For example, which would you rather have, say, on the device? A little chip like this, Arduino chip, or would you like a big old computer on the device? This or this? You probably want this. A lot smaller and lighter and less power. Okay? So that's what you do. You use the computer to program the microcontroller. Now, why Arduino itself? Well, many people already know how to use it. Okay, so there's a wide community out there who are already using it and experimenting with it and developing it. It's always getting better every day. And that's a lot of peers you can use to bounce ideas off of and help them, they help you, everything. We just one big happy family. 2, it's inexpensive. The cost is very low. This is a microcontroller Arduino, and as you can see up here, it costs $9.99, about $10. So that's pretty cheap, and there's tons of them, especially at microcenter.com. Okay? Many people know how to program these microcontrollers. They're programmed using a programming language called C++. There's lots of people who know, even people who are not doing anything with this, just regular computer programmers know C++. Almost every programmer out there knows C++. So that's even more people you can talk to and, bounce ideas off of. And if they want to, they can join up easily. And our community gets even bigger. Okay? Next, it's available. You can buy it at microcenter.com on the web. Just put in the search engine, Arduino Uno microcontroller. It'll take you there. Make sure it's the $9.99 version. Okay? And you're off and running. There's also a basic starter version 2 for Arduino. That is this right here. Okay? Basic starter version 2.0 kit for Arduino. If you put this in the search engine, basic starter version 2 for Arduino, well, just V2, it'll come up with this. And this is also pretty cheap. It's got tons of goodies, and it has the microcontroller chip as well. So it's got the microcontroller chip and tons of goodies. You see all down this list, tons of goodies it also has, including a breadboard, which you really want to have. So if you put in basic in the search engine, basic starter V2 for Arduino, it'll give you this. Make sure it's the $34.99 one. It's got tons of stuff for a low price, including the Arduino itself. So that's why we should use Arduino. And that's a really good starting point. So I'll see you out there.